This is a Beretta 92 pistol. Do everything manual says. See how many pages it has before we go any further. It has 21 pages. Anyway, it's got pictures and illustrations, and it's copyrighted. Got breakdowns. Slide disassembly. Receiver disassembly. It's got breakdown pictures on just about every page. It looks like pretty well chock full of information. Maybe just 21 pages, but it's got a lot on those pages. Anyway, it says it's proudly printed in the United States of America. One of the few things we do in America. We don't do much in America anymore. JEM Enterprises, printed in America. I sell these with a satisfaction guarantee. If you buy one you don't like for any reason, you send it back and I'll refund your money.